The pan drain is snaked and is redone with 45 angles to drain better. Here was leaking, now we don't see nothing leaking here. This is running 68 degrees. Yeah, the whole line here is redone. You can see 45 and 245s to make a 90. As you can see here, there you go, the water is running, as you can tell. See, there we go, all the condensation is going through here, and you can see when you open the other cap on the P-trap, you can see, there you go, the water is running. We have elevation now, proper elevation. There you go, non-stop running, I can tell. There you go. Constantly running. Before that, all of this was running in the ceiling, the bathroom, and the closet. Now, as you can see, no more. Because all the condensation is coming here. There we go. There we go. Clear.